Hello, I'm Chelsea Fry with Motor Age Magazine. When you're looking for employees who can provide good direction and leadership for your business, it starts before they even set foot in the door. It starts when you're still in the hiring process. David Rogers is here today to talk about how to look for leadership skills when hiring employees. David is the Chief Operating Officer of Keller Brothers Inc., President of Auto Profit Masters, and President of Shop 4D. David, thank you for joining us today.
I'm grateful to be here. Thanks for having me.
So in your article, you mentioned how character is an important thing to look for when hiring employees. Could you explain that a little more?
Of course. I believe that imperfect people, and we're all imperfect, just to be clear, can perform at or near perfection when they follow a perfect process. I'm not in my shop every day. In fact, I'm almost never there. I live about 1,000 miles from the shop, and I try my best to go back and visit at least once a year. I know that I can trust my team to perform their daily responsibilities, inspecting every vehicle top to bottom, treating every customer the way we'd want our mother to be treated, educating our customers so that they make the right decisions for them about those vehicles. I know they'll perform these nearly perfectly because we do have perfect processes. Character can't be taught. It can't be learned, it can't be trained. It's something you either have or you don't have. If you want to sustainably grow your business, you cannot be the best at every single job in the shop. If you're the best tech, the best service writer, the best diagnostician, the best shuttle driver, your shop owns you. The shop can only grow and succeed as much as your time allows, which means that your job has to be to hire people who are more skilled than you are and give them the tools and the processes to succeed. Not just any employees, though. Employees want you and your shop to succeed. Employees who have the kind of character that makes them good stewards of everything you've built.
Excellent. So you also mentioned how being meticulous is important in that hiring process. Can you elaborate on that?
Well, if character can't be taught, Chelsea, then we have to know the character of the people we hire before we bring them on. This starts well before the interview. Your job posting needs to set your shop apart. It needs to teach applicants why your shop is a family-friendly place to start a career. And when the resumes start to come in, you can see the character of the candidate right in their job history. Are they a basketball? Meaning, do they bounce from job to job every few months? As an employee, they'll have one foot out the door before they even begin, and they won't be focused on helping the team succeed. What are they like during that interview process? Are they respectful of your time? Are they polite? Do they constantly blame management or other staff members for things that made them unhappy or unsuccessful in a previous position? All of these things speak to the kind of character they have and how they're going to positively or negatively affect your business. To help our managers hire successfully, we've developed processes to follow with every single interview and hire. We use written questions so we never forget a critical question and we don't mix them up later between all the employees. We follow detailed training procedures so the employee always knows exactly what's expected of them and why it's important. Most critically, we've incorporated as many of these processes as possible into our shop management system. Shop 4D helps our technicians and our service writers follow the correct processes and procedures without ever having to think about them. Because the program just quietly makes them do it. By hiring people with strong character, by training them properly, by giving them perfect processes so they can follow without even having to think about it, our shop can run near perfection, even while I am 1,000 miles away.
That's amazing. David, thank you for sharing this valuable insight on how to hire leaders for your shop. To learn more about this topic, you can reach out to David at contact@shop4d.com. Thank you.
Thank you. I'd love to hear from you. Remember, you can't hire the leader. You've got to grow them. Have a great day, Chelsea.
Thank you. You too.